This is the Genesis GV80. The audio system in the GV80 offers the ability to maintain separate volume settings for different media, voice command, alert, and navigation sounds. To set the volume for different media sources such as radio, USB, and Bluetooth audio streaming, start by selecting the media source. Then adjust the volume using the steering wheel control or the knob on the center console. Note that the set volume will be retained when changing between sources, but each source will have its own unique volume level. To set the sound volume for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, press Setup, Sound, and then Connected Device Volumes. Select either Android Auto or Apple CarPlay and use the slider controls to set volume levels for music playback, ringtone, navigation, or voice recognition prompts. The volume for voice recognition prompts can be immediately adjusted with the volume controls on the steering wheel or center console when prompts occur. To set separate volume levels in the navigation system, press Setup, Sound, Guidance, and then Guidance Volumes. Here, separate volumes can be set for navigation guidance, prompts, alerts, beeps, and more. You can also quickly access some navigation volumes from the map screen. Press the map button and then the lower arrow icon bar. Here you can use sliders to quickly change voice and beep volume levels. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.